Introducing the industry's first hybrid wheelchair accessible van that is also the first all-wheel drive. The all-new 2021 Toyota Sienna from VMI with a power, in-floor, Northstar conversion. Stylish and fuel efficient, the VMI Toyota Sienna gets up to 35 miles per gallon. Encompass that with the latest in safety, technology, and assurance of all-wheel drive, and you've got the ultimate accessible van. Note the 56-inch door opening height, the 29-inch door opening width, and a 1,000-pound capacity power in-floor ramp system with usable width of about 30 inches. In addition, the front seats are removable and interchangeable between the driver and the passenger's position. Plus, every new VMI Toyota Sienna hybrid includes the patent-pending ParkSmart handicap parking aid and deterrent system. It works by automatically alerting other drivers not to park too close, obstructing the operation of the vehicle's ramp system. It's a VMI exclusive. To learn more or take a test drive of this advanced driving machine, don't hesitate to contact any one of our locations for an appointment. For our most current list of locations, please visit superiorvan.com. Thanks for watching.